Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 23. So today's baby step is to establish an afternoon routine. So far we've done our morning routine and our evening or before bed routine, as FlyLady calls it, and now we're going to focus on our afternoon routine. And really this is going to be something that kind of is a trigger for you to either start dinner or going to be for as soon as you get home from work or as soon as you get home from school or whenever the kids get home from school. Whatever the trigger needs to be for you, that's when this routine is going to start. And it's going to entail thinking about and planning what's for dinner and getting that started. It could even include having a house clean before your significant other gets home, so that when they get home from work, the house is clean and ready for them to feel relaxed and comfortable. I know that's something that's really important for my husband, and that's going to be something that I can include in my afternoon routine, so that okay, maybe the trigger is my kids go down for a nap and now I'm going to start prepping dinner, get the house cleaned up a little bit, and then I'll be able to rest the rest of nap time, because what else do you do during nap time but take a break? Okay, let's be honest, you don't always need to take a break, but in your mind, the plan is to take a break whenever the kids are napping. Going forward, we're gonna have a routine for what we're making for dinner. So we wanna start getting to the habit of on Tuesdays, which is gonna be our plan and play day, thinking ahead about what's for dinner, so that by the time we're planning and prepping dinner at that time, we're not also having to think about what's for dinner for that day. So that is today's baby step. We're going to spend some time thinking about the things that we need to do midday or as soon as we get off of work, or at some point in the afternoon before the before bed routine. And we're going to take some time to plan that. So think about what that means for you and spend some time doing that today. There's a calendar below with a link to a free calendar with all the 31 days of baby steps that you can continue to follow along with. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with our progress and all the 31 days of baby steps that we're doing here. And follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I want to see you over there commenting about how it's been going for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.